Are you in the market for a new business and resident telephone system? Do you feel in the dark over options that can be available to you? With brands like Panasonic leaving the unified communications market, you'll have questions and we'll have answers. Don't fear, I'm Dwayne Jacka from Priority Communication Systems, and I'm here to walk you through some of these options. Your integrated systems rely on a strong infrastructure to relay specific information to staff and management about the safety and security of your community and its residents. This can typically be done through dedicated telephone systems. When it comes to ensuring the event notification for nurse call alarms, security concerns, and emergency alert broadcasts, picking up a telephone system doesn't have to be a chore. One choice for you to consider for your on-premises or cloud-hosted telephone system is Mitel. The Mitel 3300 series of controllers are ideal for continuously expanding small and medium-sized organizations and even up to larger enterprises. The controllers are IP PBX systems that combine full IP services such as SIP trunking, IP phone support, IP network, and application integration. Mitel offers an impressive range of IP phones, soft phones, and DECT wireless designed to cover every working environment. These IP phones offer programmable keys, superior sound quality, and several useful built-in features, such as support for DECT and Bluetooth accessories. Mitel also has a line of DECT phone handsets that are adapted to the healthcare industry with features such as water and shock resistance, a rubberized edge, and anti-scratch surfaces. Programmable soft keys and navigation keys, along with the option of connection to a Bluetooth handset, are just some of the features that make this wireless handset stand out. Another trusted and versatile solution comes from the Avaya line of telephone systems. The Avaya series of controllers are a powerful VoIP communication solution offering flexibility, simplicity, and productivity. The Avaya IP Office 500 control unit is a stackable phone system, customizable through expansion modules and cards that can be used in the unit's convenient expansion bays. The Avaya line of IP phones provide a modern, connected, personalized experience for customers and addresses the need for secure, reliable voice communications for users within large enterprises and small and medium-sized businesses alike. Useful features including call transfer and forwarding, placing calls on hold, conference calls, voicemail, call park, and more. Avaya also has their own IP DECT cordless mobility solution. Have your staff experience enhanced productivity through the many benefits of the Avaya DECT wireless handsets, featuring enterprise-grade telephony with professional messaging and Bluetooth capabilities in one very capable DECT handset. Ruggedized and cleanable, the IP65 versions are available for tough environments. Are you ready to move your telephone system entirely to the cloud? Avaya offers a cloud-hosted version of its solution. Avaya Cloud Office lets you simplify the way your business communicates. Call, chat, meet, and collaborate no matter where you are. Stay on task and on schedule with file sharing, task management, and virtual team rooms. Avaya Cloud Office keeps your organization and your staff connected. Does your building need a telephone system that provides dial tone services to its residents? Did you know that you could be missing out on a potential revenue stream through the reselling of the service? Perhaps you'd like a service-based telephone model like the one PCS offers through Cove Communications. You get all the same functionality that you would from your local service provider, including key features like caller ID, call waiting, voicemail, three-way calling, operator assistance, and you get to keep your current phone number. Through Cove, we can also offer amazing television packages and internet service plans that can increase the value of your community and provide an opportunity for recurring revenue. By providing an accessible and unified service subscription, you'll no longer be paying the heavy monthly service charges that come with your local service providers. Through its cost savings and the ability to create revenue through resale, it's a system that really does pay for itself. Whether it's cloud or on-prem, PCS can ensure your migration to a new telephone and unified communications platform is an easy path. Contact us to speak with one of our solutions engineers, and PCS can take all the worry out of a systems upgrade.